Hey, my name's Mac. I'm the owner of Phone Repair Philly. You're getting this email and video because you used to be a customer of the Computer Fixer, which recently has moved and partnered up with us. We now offer computer repair, laptop repair, PCs, printers, and as Phone Repair Philly, we also offer all the phone repairs. So all cell phones, iPhones, smartphones, Galaxies, all that good stuff we can repair same day, typically in less than an hour. So if you're looking for help, come to Phone Repair Philly. The Computer Fixer is closed and shut down at 40th and Chestnut. We are out at 35th and Market, 3508 Market, second floor, Suite 209. We also have a few locations. If you go to our website, you can see all of our locations as well as our pricing, the different repairs we offer. And so we're just closing out this ticket and work order within our Blue Folder work order system. So by receiving this email, don't worry, nothing's changed or gone wrong other than the Computer Fixer closing down, as I mentioned, and Phone Repair Philly taking over all of the customers and contracts. If there's any outstanding debt or liabilities, let me know and we'll see if we can work something out with you. If there's any issues or warranty repairs that need taken care of, also contact us. You can reach us via phone at any of our locations or on our website, phonerepairphilly.com, or check us out on social media at Phone Repair Philly. My name's Mac, the owner of Phone Repair Philly. Like I said, we also have a location in Center City and another in Northern Liberties, and we're opening a fourth soon. So if you need help with any computers, electronics, smartphones, anything at all, call us or email us at fix@phonerepairphilly.com. Let us know. We are happy to help, and we want to help take all of their customers and have a smooth and easy experience with you moving forward. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, just reach out, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.